In the last lecture, we have learned about the tranquilizers, and in this lecture, we'll be continuing these tranquilizers. So, the first drug of today's lecture is the triperidol. The nomenclatures include 4,4-M. M refers to meta, trifluoromethylphenyl 4-hydroxypiperidine 4-fluorobutyrophenol. The physical and chemical properties include white amorphous flocculent powder soluble in water, alcohol, and methanol, insoluble in ether, slightly soluble in chloroform. Store it in airtight container. It is being used as antipsychotic. The formulations available is triperidol IPBP. The brand name available is Psychoparidol. The next drug is chlordiazepoxide. The nomenclature includes the 7-chloro-2-methylamino 5-phenyl 3H14-benzodiazepine 4-oxide. The physical and common properties are white or light yellow crystalline powder, which is bitter and odorless, practically insoluble in water, sparingly soluble in ethanol, and slightly soluble in ether. It can be disintegrated by boiling with hydrochloric acid. The decomposition product gives the reaction of primary aromatic amine. It is being stored in a well-closed container protected from light. It is being used as sedative and minor tranquilizer. The formulations available are chlordiazepoxide IPBP, chlordiazepoxide tablet IPBP, Librium, Mesuril. The next drug is diazepam. As you all can see the structure of diazepam, its nomenclature includes 7-chloro-1,3-dihydro-1-methyl-5-phenyl 2H14-benzodiazepine 2-on. The physical and chemical properties include white 2 pale yellow crystalline powder, which is almost without odor, sparingly soluble in water but freely soluble in chloroform and soluble in ethanol. The diazepam is dissolved in sulfuric acid. The solution exhibits a greenish yellow fluorescence when examined under UV light. The compound can be disintegrated and the organic chlorine is converted into sodium chloride by using oxygen plus combustion technique and using sodium hydroxide solution as absorbing liquid. After the solution is acidified with dilute sulfuric acid and boiled, it is able to give the reactions of chloride. It is stored in well-closed light-resistant container. It is being used as anxiolytic, sedative, and deconversion. The formulations available are diazepam IPVP, diazepam capsules IPVP. The brand names are Valium, Levium, Compose. The next drug is Lorazepam. The nomenclature includes 7-chloro-6-2-chlorophenyl 1,3-dihydro-3-hydroxy 2H14-benzodiazepine 2-on. The physical and chemical properties include white or almost white crystalline powder without odor and melting at 166 to 168 degrees Celsius. Practically insoluble in water, sparingly soluble in ethanol, and slightly soluble in chloroform. When dissolved in sulfuric acid, the solution exhibits a greenish yellow fluorescence when examined under a UV light. It is being stored in well-closed light-resistant container. It is being used as sedative and an anti-anxiety agent. Formulations available are lorazepam BP, lorazepam injection BP. The brand names are Larpos or Atavum. The next drug is Microbiomate. The nomenclatures include 2-methyl-2-propyl-1,3-propane-diol dicarbamate. The physical and chemical properties are white or almost white crystalline or amorphous powder. It is odorless and has a characteristic bitter taste, slightly soluble in water and ether and freely soluble in ethanol. Though it is an ester, it is stable in dilute acid and alkali. When meprobamate dissolved in ethanolic KOH and boiled, it answers a colored reaction. Then glacial acetic acid and a solution of cobalt 2 nitrate is absolute alcohol are added. A deep blue color is produced. It is being stored in airtight container. It is being used as anxiolytic. Formulations available are meprobamate. The brand name are Equanil and Calmate. The last drug is Oxy Protein. The nomenclatures include 5,6-dimethoxy 2-methyl 3,2-phenyl piperazine 1-ethyl indole. It is white crystalline powder, slightly soluble in water and alcohol, odorless and darker on exposure to light. It is stored in light-resistant container. It is being used in treatment of psychosis, but also in anxiety and tension. The formulation available is Oxy Protein IP and the brand name of Equiprotein. Thank you.